Hey everyone, it's Jordan from Covenant. Today I'm going to talk about how we flush a tankless water heater.
First, I shut off all the water coming into the tankless, so that way the solution will only go through the tankless and not the whole house. I hooked up my hoses to connect the valves to the pump in my 5-gallon bucket. And now I'll wait as the flushing process takes about 20 minutes. Flushing your water heater is important because it helps remove mineral buildup, especially limescale from hard water that can clog the system. It also reduces efficiency and causes damage over time. Regular flushing keeps your unit running effectively, extends its lifespan, helps maintain consistent hot water, and protects your investment. You should get your water heater flushed every 6 months to a year. It's a small maintenance step that can prevent big and expensive problems later. Now I'll unhook the hoses, go dump the old water in cleaner, and run water back through every fixture to make sure everywhere is still getting hot water. Once I've confirmed everything is reset and good to go, the job is complete.
Need your heater flushed too? We'll get it taken care of as soon as you call Covenant.